Officials are posting a hepatitis alert tonight in the midst of this busy holiday weekend about a popular restaurant in Provincetown. The danger, however, is not for folks dining there this weekend. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ken McLeod. The Massachusetts Department of Health now says that customers who went there between April 30th and May 15th may have been exposed to hepatitis A by an infected worker. WBZ's Logan Hall has the story tonight from Provincetown.
Massachusetts state health officials are warning of a potential exposure to hepatitis A after a food service worker was infected in Provincetown.
When you go to a restaurant, you expect quality food from a restaurant, and if they're serving food that's contaminated, it's really devastating to the people that are consuming it.
The Massachusetts Department of Public Health says a worker at the P-Town staple Red Inn was infected, and anyone who dined at the restaurant between April 30th and May 15th may have been exposed. We spoke to the owner of the Red Inn, who assured us that the situation was handled and their kitchen is all clear.
This is something that happened 2 weeks ago. So right now our place is cleared for work. We are very vigilant on making sure that, we wash our hands, we take care of things, and, if someone's sick, we take care of them.
The early signs and symptoms of hepatitis A are fever, fatigue, jaundice, and vomiting. Clinical Director of Infectious Diseases at Brigham and Women's Hospital, Dr. Paul Sachs, says cases can be pretty serious.
It's not the kind of illness where you're like a typical food poisoning where you're sick for 1 or 2 days and then you're back to normal within a week. Usually people with hepatitis A, at least the people who get diagnosed, are out for 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes longer.
And the doctor's best advice? Make sure you're vaccinated.
It makes sense for people to get vaccinated for hepatitis A. Our hepatitis A vaccine is one of the safest and most effective vaccines that we have.
And on a busy Memorial Day weekend, restaurants are packed. And some P-Town visitors say cleanliness is top of mind.
Yeah, being from Southern California, we have a rating system, ABC, for people that are checking on restaurant quality, but I'm kind of surprised Massachusetts doesn't have a rating.
Despite the potential exposures, Red Inn customers aren't fazed.
Red Inn is a beautiful staple that I come to a few times a year. It's a really nice place.
Now, state health officials are advising anyone who is potentially exposed to hepatitis A during that 2-week period to contact their medical care provider and seek any appropriate medical treatment that they might need. Reporting in Provincetown, Logan Hall, WBZ News.